Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have Klipsch ProMedia Heritage 2.1 computer speakers and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them, you might want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this speaker is not pairing with Bluetooth or not connecting to your computer, or if it seems to be not responding, not working right in any kind of way. A factory reset can fix a lot of those issues. Now the second reason you might want to do this is just for whatever reason where you want to delete all of the pairing history off of it, all the settings, and just get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box so that we can go ahead and set it up as new. Now you can go ahead and whatever you've had it paired on in the past, you can just forget it, because once we do this, we're going to set this up like new. And all we're going to do is we're going to make sure that everything is on. And so that we should see the LED light on the front of this subwoofer. And once we have that, we're going to come around to the back to this volume button. We're just going to press and hold the volume button on the back of this subwoofer for 10 seconds until you see the LED flashing on the front of the subwoofer. And basically, if it works, the LED will flash red, then green, then white, then blue, indicating a successful reset. You can go ahead and set this speaker system up as a brand new set of speakers.